Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today we're going to show you WordPress file and directory structure. I've already got a WordPress installation folder opened, and you'll notice that the root folder contains 3 directories, which is actually kind of impressive for software the size of WordPress. But this is the root folder, and if your website is only a WordPress installation, this will be at the root of your public HTML folder. If your WordPress is installed in a subdirectory, once you go into that subdirectory, you'll see this content here. So this is called the root folder of WordPress. Like I said, we have 3 subdirectories and like 20 or so files. The files here, the one you'll probably be most familiar with is wp-config.php. This is where you set like your database username and password, and your debugging and all of that. And it's actually used by WP settings and WP load to sort of bootstrap WordPress and get everything up and running. So yeah, that's the root folder. WP admin is everything you see in the admin area. When you log into the back end of your WordPress installation to manage your website, these are the files that make up the back end. As you can see, you have your CSS, images, includes, all of that. You usually won't be touching these files. Everything that you edit will be in the WP content folder. Like if you wanted to add functionality to the WordPress admin, you'd do that through your WP content folder. But these files make up the admin. Then we have WP includes, which is everything WordPress uses internally to make WordPress work. There's a lot of files here. Again, you'll never be touching these files. These are just internally used by WordPress. And the most important folder for you is going to be the WP content folder. This is the folder that houses your plugins, your themes, your uploads. A lot of plugins will use this folder to store data. So as you can see, we have a plugins folder here. And when you add a plugin, it actually downloads code files into this plugins folder organized by folders. So like here for Contact Form 7, it downloaded all of its files inside of this folder. So when you install a plugin, it's not like magic and it just works. It actually downloads files and puts them on in your WordPress installation. If you go to themes, this is where your WordPress themes will live. Like if you have a bunch of themes installed and you could choose between them, each theme has its own folder in here. So I've only got 2 installed. I've got my main one, and then I made a child theme because I've edited it quite a bit. And then you have your uploads folder. Your uploads is where all of your media is going to be stored, and it's going to be organized by year and then by month. So anytime you upload something to the media library, it's going to get put here. Plugins will also use this folder if you could upload data to the plugin. I am using Contact Form 7, so it stores its uploads here. Same for WP Code. And then I'm using WebP Express, so it also stores its content in the WP content folder. If you're making your own theme, you would do all of your editing inside of your theme. So I think that's it. It's a pretty simple directory structure and file structure. If you have any specific comments or questions, just leave a comment. I'd be happy to answer them. I just wanted to show you what the inside of a WordPress installation looks like. And then, like I said before, when you're editing or making your own theme, you really don't want to touch the WordPress internals. You just leave them as is. Everything you'll edit will be inside the WP content folder, particularly in your theme and theme directory folder. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Lots more how-to videos coming up, so please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.